Hello my friends, I'm Oliver. Let's unbox one big bulldozer. This is D11 and it is 1 to 10 scale. Net weight it is 110 kg. And this box, you see the white line, the length, altogether it is 137 kg. So one round we got all this lock. We can open it and step by step maybe we cannot lift it out. We open the box, side cover, and drive it out. That's the radio. Unlock the trap. Lift up. Also lift up from here, the spoon lock. Downside also. Press down, unlock it. Yeah, pull it out. Well, this one is the battery. Let's see how much power it has. There should be around 15,000 mAh. Let's have a check confirm. The battery, radio. Plugged in EV. Well, let's start drive it out. First lift up. Going. Let's first see what functions it got. Check the angle of the blade. Middle position, change the angle. Tilting. Already lift up. Tilting other side. Well, 110 kg. Imagine this power. Double pump. That's awesome with this power. You can push on the ground any mud, sand, or small rocks. Okay, on the top. Maybe still can tilting. Yeah. And whoa, it's amazing functions of this big stuff. Tilting to right. And blade. Already in position. It's so fascinating. Definitely I want to see inside how these two pumps working. Let I will try to open show you. Well, this mechanism is really smart. See the tilting? Left, this cylinder is moving. Yeah, tilting to right. If you tilting this side, VRG, check this cylinder is moving, and must be some mixed control for these two cylinders. Let I will check one by one and get it throughout how it's working. You see the turning angle, how big is the angle it can be done.